So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. You know, today is mock test Sunday. Full syllabus test is there. It will be uploaded at 1:30 p.m. on neetprep.com on NEET Prep app. We will also upload it on NEET Prep Telegram channel. Now, I want to remind you about a few things which I do every time before the mock test. But right now, I have not been able to do live sessions with you because there has been a lockdown in Delhi. Good news is that number of cases is coming down in Delhi. Positivity rate is coming down. So hopefully, by the time next mock test happens on 30th May, we would be able to start our mock test live sessions before the test, right? So right now, let me give you the instructions again, which I've given you every time mock test happen. First of all, you have to wear a mask while writing a mock test. You have to wear a mask because when you will write NEET exam, you would be wearing a mask. So it is very, very important that you wear a mask. This is the first instruction. The second instruction, run to the end. You have to reach 180th question. NEET exam is about completing 180 questions in 180 minutes. If you're going to stuck at any question, and that is why you're not able to reach 180th question, that is not good for your preparation. That is not good for your practice. So in bio, organic, inorganic, if you're not able to understand a question in 15 seconds, mark a circle, move forward. In physics, physical chemistry, you're not able to understand a question, mark a circle, move forward. Come back to them at the end if you have extra time at the end, but don't get stuck on any question. This is why I call it run to the end. A lot of you have heard it from me before, and you will keep hearing it from me till NEET exam, right? Third thing to remember is breakup of the time. You have 180 minutes, 50 minutes for biology paper, including OMR filling, 50 minutes for chemistry paper, including OMR filling, 70 minutes for physics paper, including OMR filling, and final 10 minutes for a final revision. And final thing, you have to write the paper in pen paper OMR format because NEET exam is also going to be in pen paper OMR format. It is not going to be in online format. That is something that NTA has already communicated. Let me show you again how to use pen paper OMR functionality on neetprep.com. So I'm sharing the screen. You go to neetprep.com, you go to course content. You can see this course content here. You go to tests, correct? And after that, you go to NEET Prep test series. And let's say you come to this paper. The 16th May, this will show live here once the paper is live. But let's go on this one. Attempt now. This is a test which had happened earlier. You can download the PDF from here, right? So right now, if you're not able to go out and print out a paper, download a PDF and use it on your phone, right? Second thing is sample OMR sheet. I'm assuming a lot of you already have a printout of this sample OMR sheet. Now you have the PDF on your phone. You have the sample OMR sheet, which you can fill. For 3 hours, like in NEET exam, you're going to see the questions, scribble on the, take some rough sheets, and then fill the bubbles in the OMR sheet. This is what you're going to do for 3 hours. After 3 hours are finished, you are going to come back here and you are going to click on fill OMR sheet, and you are going to click these bubbles based on the OMR sheet that you filled, right? I'm just filling them randomly just to show to you how it can be done, right? So this is how you can fill the OMR sheet. And you should be good. So you click on calculate score after that. And you would be able to see your score. Today's score, you will be able to see at 8 p.m. Any test you have given in the past, you can see the score immediately. And you will see also an option of view all answers. This is where you can go and see all the answers of the questions, right? So it will show you all the answers of the questions, right? There is an audio explanation. There is in case of bio, NCERT reference. And all of this is there, right? So hopefully students, you have understood. I want to tell you, best of luck to all of you. Don't worry, things are going to be better. I can already see things in Delhi are beginning to become better. Things are going to get better at your place also, but don't stop giving the mock test. If you're not ready for full syllabus test, you have target setting functionality. You can give DPPs, but keep writing tests. That will keep you motivated. That will tell you where you stand. If you stop writing tests, then you will start feeling a lot of demotivation. A lot of you are very courageous that you're writing these tests in these very difficult situations around us. So I want to congratulate you. I want to say best of luck to all of you. Keep at it, keep working hard, and hopefully your dream of becoming a doctor is going to come true. All right, students.